First camping of the year for 2013.
Mix it.
Mine is not going on fire. How do you blow that? You want me to do it? Yeah. It's on fire.
Hey Jackie, you need to put the wood over to burn.
Okay.
Now you set up the big wood over now.
Look out, people.
Don't drop on it, just put it across.
Oh, you have a little flame. Oh, that's like your birthday candle. Now blow.
Happy birthday to you.
You smell like a monkey.
Blow. Hey. Yeah, put it. You want me to blow? No, there you go.
I wish we brought a portable fan.
Where's all the fire now? There's no more fire. I can see.
Step on it.
Put it on the cup holder.
Just start.
Should I add the paper in?
Yep.
Cause Daddy, because you're Mr. Fix-a-Lot, remember?
What is this?
The lighter's
Water bottle, give me
Not
the
mine.
spray.
It's mine.
Give me the spray.
Here, give it to me. I'll hold it.
Where's my stick?
Why are we spraying it on it?
Well, it's like fire starter.
Where's my stick?
Yeah, and it breaks.
No, there's my stick right here.
Yeah, try a few other.
Dad, can you hold it now? I think we need more fire. Don't wave it.
Blow the other way. Thank you. Blow Kimberly's way.
Dad, it's zoomed in. I don't know how to zoom out. Okay, here you go. Someone has to take a picture of me.
Hey, that part's on fire.
Ah! Stop doing that to my stick.
Get away, foul beast.
Oh.
I need to fart. I'm just bad.
What the? You hear that?
Now.
Move away, man. I need to fart. Just stay right there. Jesus.
Where's my stick?
What's worse, the smoke or the fart?
I think it's fire.
Oh, sorry.
It's not coming out. Yeah. Stop
Here's
moving my stick.
Oh my god.
Oh no!
Guys, stop! Guys, you got to stop, guys! You guys, why are you